Okay, good day to everybody. Welcome back to the Formula Sports channel. Thanks for being here. As always, the support is much appreciated. Yesterday wasn't a bad day for Reggae Boyz fans, people. Yesterday was not a bad day for Jamaican football fans at all. Seeing yesterday, the Copa America groups were revealed last night. You know, the Reggae Boyz having booked their spot to the Copa America, following a Concacaf classic when we beat Canada in Canada to book that spot, that automatic spot to the Copa America, which is next year, 2024, in the United States of America. The groups have been revealed. You see them on your screen right now. The Reggae Boyz are in Group B. Other teams in Group B: Mexico, Ecuador, Venezuela. People, the group they're not too bad at all, people. Group B not too bad at all. It's not a bad group at all, people. People, out of all of the groups, people, Group B is the easiest group. Although, it depends on what. Some fans would want to see us go against the bigger guns in South America, right? Here's my team. More will get out of the group stage and then buck the bigger guns in South America. You get what I say? I don't want to buck the bigger guns in the group stage and then go get fling out of the tournament early. You get what I say? We could get out of the group first and then we can play the big teams and, get to see Jamaica play the likes of Brazil and Argentina and them things. See? But yeah, it's not a bad group at all, people. We can get out of the group, the people. We can get out of the group and get to the knockout stages out of the group of people. Out of all of the groups, it's the easiest group out of all four groups. Group A: Argentina, Peru, Chile, and a team that's yet to be decided. Group C: USA, Uruguay, Panama, and who is the fourth team in that? Bolivia. Bolivia is the fourth team in that group. Yeah. And Group D: Brazil, Colombia, Paraguay, and a team also that has yet to be decided. That is yet to be decided. Not a bad group at all, people. The group is the group where we get the easiest out of all four groups. My thing is we get out of the group and then we about the bigger guns, people. And that may I say, people, nothing wrong with that. Not a thing no wrong with that. Not a thing no wrong with that. Every team in that group B. Every team in that group B. Every team in that group B. Jamaica can beat. We can beat Mexico, right? We can beat Ecuador. And we can beat Venezuela. We can beat all of them three teams there. As a matter of fact, we can top that group here. The Reggae Boyz have the quality to top this group. Allow me to tell people, hit me up in the comment section and let me know. You don't think we now have the quality if we can beat Venezuela, beat Ecuador, beat Mexico. Canada, is arguably a better team than Ecuador and Venezuela, and possibly, even if not a better team than Mexico, they're in the same class of quality. If we can go Canada and beat Canada in a freezing conditions, people, why we can't beat Venezuela and Bolivia and Mexico? Now, the thing about it, though, is that these teams do tend to play a style of football that historically Jamaica has struggled against, But, if we go there and play some well-organized and well-structured football, and display our quality, we can't have the beating of these three teams. No, it's not going to be easy. It's not going to be easy. Not going to be easy at all. I'm not in any way suggesting that, this group is an easy group and yes, we're going to top the group. And no, that's not what I'm saying. But out of all four groups, it's the easiest. It's the easiest out of all four groups. That's why I'm put the banner at the end of the screen, ladies and gentlemen. The football gods have smiled on Jamaica. The football gods smile upon people. Them give you a good group. Them give you an easy group where we can get out and then but the bigger guns in at the knockout stage is the real glory part of the competition. And if the Reggae Boyz can get to the group stages, can get to the knockout stages rather, that can be a real catalyst for the team and really give the team a world of confidence going forward and going into World Cup qualifiers and them thing there. And can give the group a lot of a good run in a tournament for confidence and also a good string of consecutive games, to really have the group, together for a lengthened period of time to, continue to build upon group chemistry and group synergy on and off the pitch. It will be we'll be playing at least 3 games. And if we can get out of the group, it may be 4, it may be 5, who knows? And knockout stage is football go already. Anything can happen now. We make a deep run. A number of games consecutively where the boys can, if we can get out of this group has made it possible for us to get out of the group, or has increased the likelihood that we can get out of the group and have a number of games consecutively together, string a number of games consecutively together, which can only be very good for the team. And can, do wonders for the team. So it's a really good group, and I'm happy to see it, man. I had a smile on my face when I saw the group last night, seeing that we ended up in. Knock up the likes button, subscribe, and share. Hit me up in the comment section. Let me know what you think about the group. Take care, guys. Stay safe, and until next time.